Are you ready to practice this guided meditation, this body scan that will help increase our self-awareness? I hope so. Please make sure you're warm enough, that you're comfortable. Remember, you can take any position you want as long as you'll be alert and awake through the whole time. And this will take us a few minutes. Now, you can keep your eyes open if you'd like, or you can close your eyes. I'll probably be closing my eyes, so we won't even need to be, looking at each other. What I'll do is take you through almost like progressive relaxation, but really it's just a heightened sense of focus and awareness on different body parts. So when I name a body part, put all of your attention there without, just put all of your attention there and see what happens. Whatever happens, you can, feel it. Like for example, if I say right hand thumb, put all of your focus on your right hand thumb and notice everything you can about it. Use all of your senses to tune in to that particular body part. And I'll take you through your entire body, and then at the end, we'll do like different fields of the body and energy work. And all of this is designed to help you become more self-aware, because when you're not feeling confident, when you're struggling with your self-esteem, most of the time you're not really feeling positive effects in your body. You're feeling the deflated, the hunched shoulders, the protected heart, the head forward thinking, the eyes furrowed, the frown. You're feeling that tenseness. And we're going to take it to the other side. Like, what would it feel like? What does it physically feel like to have confidence at a cellular level? Okay, please make yourself comfortable. When you're ready, allow your eyes to close or gently soften the muscles around your eyes and find a particular thing to softly gaze at. So eyes are soft, inner eyes and outer eyes. And we begin the process of learning to let go. We begin the process of increased self-awareness by turning to our breath. Notice where you feel your inhales coming in through your nostrils. Notice how far down your throat, your lungs, your chest, maybe your belly, your inhale travels. And also notice your exhales, how when they leave your body, gently warmed by your lungs. You can feel the brush of the exhale across your lips. We don't need to change a thing about the way we are breathing, but we turn a kind, curious attitude, and we just patiently watch each inhale and each exhale. Every time you start to think about something else or wonder if you're doing it right, all the chatter that is bound to be there, kindly, gently bring your attention back to the sensations, all of them, of each breath. In, each exhale, out. Okay. And now sit a little taller or stretch, move a little bit to make a little bit more space around your shoulders, your upper chest, your heart area, standing up tall. Lengthening a little bit, even just energetically, pretending an inkling of lengthening through the crown of your head, this royal act of dignity. Kind approach to your body, making room really for deeper breaths, which help us feel more relaxed, more steady, more grounded. A brightness on the inside of your body as if the interior of your body was taking up more space. You might even imagine seeing a light, a color, rays, beams, or a textured appearance, any color. Just watching your inner body expand. Your inner body expands to fill the temple of your body. Every nook and cranny, every pore on your skin, every follicle of hair, exuding this natural quality of light, of energy, your unique energetic field. And now bring your awareness to every part of your body that is supported by the floor or the chair. Feel every point of contact. Surrender a little bit into it. Let go, release, become a little heavier, a little bit more planted or rooted. Now, bring all of your focus to your right hand. Feel every detail of your right hand. Your fingers, your palm, back of your hand. And now your whole right arm, including your right shoulder area. And then the notch at the base of your neck, in between your collarbones. And then become aware of your left hand, your entire left hand. Your fingers, back of hand, palm of hand, your whole left hand. Your left shoulder, and back to the notch at the base of your neck. Bring your awareness to your whole right hip. Feel and become aware of your entire right hip, the back, sides, the interior, exterior. And travel down your right leg, upper leg, lower leg, right ankle, sole of right foot, top of right foot, right toes, your whole right foot. Become aware of your entire right leg simultaneously from hip to foot. Notice your entire right leg. And now your left hip. Become aware of your entire left hip, the exterior, interior, front, back, side. And draw your awareness down your left leg, through your upper leg, knee, lower leg, ankle, into the heel and sole of your left foot, the toes of your left foot, the top of your left foot, your whole left foot, your whole left leg. Become aware of your entire left leg. Now bring your awareness to the bowl of your pelvis, the seat of your spine. Imagine a liquid gold, a heavy liquid gold filling the bowl of your pelvis. And now become aware of your belly, your abdominal area, lower back, waist, allow your belly to take up space, to soften. And now imagine your diaphragm relaxing, and bring your attention now to the space around the center of your chest. Wherever you believe your physical or emotional heart center to be. And be sweet about this. It doesn't have to be any particular thing or any particular place. Every time we practice this self-awareness, our perspective changes, sensations shift, they're new. So with an edge of curiosity, just become aware of your heart space. And take a few moments here to feel your heart space expanding. This unique pattern of energy and light that is yours. The deepest part of your authentic self, the part of you that only you fully know and understand. Every time your thoughts drift to things to do or questioning the practice, anytime your brain or your thoughts are pulled away, kindly escort yourself back to the sensation of expansion in your chest, around your heart, filling your entire body. The muscle of our self-awareness grows stronger every time our mind wanders and we bring ourselves back. This is a gift that you give to yourself, a chance to tap into, to remember your true essence. Slowly begin to transition back into the rest of your day. Move your toes and your fingers, your wrists and elbows, ankles and knees. Stretch your body and slowly begin to focus your eyes again, taking in and aware the shift of color, the vibrancy, the softness. And feel that more grounded, present piece of yourself that is able to show up in this moment. Take a moment to contemplate, to interact with this sensation, to have a conversation with it. Whether you do this through thinking, or if you take a few moments and write down a reflection in your journal. What do you want to take forward with you after having experienced this practice? In the next video, I'll give you some action items, some tips and tricks that you can do to help create this feeling in moments when you're feeling less than confident. All right, I'll see you there.